Introducing the Maxxum ActiveDrive 8 transmission. Designed from the ground up by Case IH engineers using customer feedback, ActiveDrive 8 was developed to meet the increasing demands of today's operations. Available exclusively on Maxxum tractors, this transmission combines all the benefits of a mechanical transmission with many of the intuitive features of a CVX drive transmission. The Maxxum ActiveDrive 8 is loaded with innovations. The dual-clutch gearbox provides dedicated clutches for forward and reverse, and odd and even gears for faster shifting and smoother direction changes. Thanks to the new ActiveDrive 8 dual-clutch transmission, Maxxum series tractors now deliver a wider range of working speeds without torque interruptions or any mechanical range changes. For optimal performance, ActiveDrive 8 features a true power shuttle, making direction changes faster and smoother. This 24-speed transmission features 8 power shift speeds in 3 electronically shifted ranges, providing an optimized gear ratio across all working conditions. The B range offers working speeds between 2.4 and 10.7 miles per hour without torque interruptions, making it the ideal range for 90% of working applications. The multi-control armrest and multi-function handle are standard on the Maxxum ActiveDrive 8. They provide access to all tractor controls and place the most frequently used functions directly at your fingertips. Other innovations include Active Clutch 2, Smart Range Shift, Memory Shuttle, and Smooth Shift, enabling the operator to customize the tractor for the task at hand. Active Clutch 2 is designed to be used in many applications, including loading, loader work, field work, and hooking up implements. By simply pressing both brake pedals simultaneously, you can slow the tractor or bring it to a stop without using the clutch pedal. When Active Clutch 2 is enabled, the operator can proportionately control the clutch using only the brake pedals. By applying light pressure to the brake pedals, the clutch will partially engage to slow the tractor. Apply more pressure, and the clutch engages completely to allow the tractor to quickly and easily stop. With Smart Range Shift, you can change ranges anytime from any gear for optimal performance. Easily shift to the next range to get up to speed quickly and smoothly. Memory Shuttle is an ideal feature for loader work. When Memory Shuttle is activated, the system remembers the last gear selected in forward and reverse, automatically shifting to that gear when making the next direction change. For example, if you prefer to drive forward in B5 and reverse in B2, the Memory Shuttle automatically shifts to that gear when you change direction. Smooth Shift modulates engine RPMs when shifting. This feature makes shifting gears feel smoother under any condition, especially under load. ActiveDrive 8 offers producers of all sizes another option that complements the existing Maxxum lineup. From the tried and true performance of ActiveDrive 4 to the power and efficiency of CVX drive, ActiveDrive 8 adds a wider range of working speeds without torque interruptions or manual gear changes. With the innovations of ActiveDrive 8, you can put versatility, productivity, and cost savings to work for your operation.